Hello, YouTube family. This is your boy Anthony. I'm the owner of Burton& Sons On The Go Auto Service. Today we are just doing a quick little video, nothing serious. It's 2004 Honda Civic. We're just changing out the thermostat. Now, again, I mean, pretty much anybody can do this. You know, it's very simple, very easy. First and foremost, if your car was running prior to this, it's best that you let it cool for at least about an hour or two, so you don't get burned by that coolant. Also, so the pressure, there's no pressure here. I mean, you can always relieve the pressure by open up the cap. But you know, if anything, either way you look at it, so you don't get burnt, just let it cool for at least 2 hours or so, 2-3 hours. It's very simple. Thermostat sits under here. If you can see the whole, I mean the area right here. It's very simple. First and foremost, you got to take the clip off for the fan switch that actually is on the thermostat housing. As you see right there on the side. This is a new housing. Customer wanted a new housing. Don't know why they wanted to change the fan switch. I would definitely do that. These things do go bad, and that right there is responsible for turning on the fan. But for some reason he didn't want to change it. But I guess, you know, that's his problem. Apparently he doesn't want to do it. But he learned the hard way, right? All right. So basically, this is, you know, the housing sits underneath there, like I showed you, and it connects to the lower hose, which is right here. Oh, drop. That sucks. Okay. But this is the little hose. I mean, technically you don't have to drain all the coolant out. You can just basically, once you detach the housing, only a certain amount comes out. Not much at all. Really not much at all. They're 10 millimeter bolts. See, right, there's two of them. You just take those off. You know, get yourself a nice little ratchet with a deep 10 millimeter, or if you got a short one with extension, whatnot, you may need a swivel, may not need a swivel. I mean, the one that I use is a combination here. And guys, I love these type of tools, electronic tools. I mean, I love my air tools, but sometimes I just love using these. It's just, I don't know, I got used to them, kind of spoiled. But other than that, it's pretty cool. I love it. I think this is from Milwaukee. Excellent. I love it. Also, too, we're going to change the thermostat. This is the thermostat, and it's pretty old. You know, it's always a rule of thumb, you know, whatever, when you want to do this, you drop the coolant or whatever you want to do. I mean, rule of thumb, especially if it's never been done before, you know, you want to change the thermostat. You never want to use the old thermostat. It defeats the purpose. The reason why we're changing this thermostat because the old one was cracked. So we're changing that also. You got your new gasket for the thermostat. And we have the thermostat here that we got from Stats. That's the brand. See a peek at that. Get some thermostat there. So, like I said, it's a very simple thing. It's nothing crazy. It may take you average, maybe between 15 to like a half an hour, maybe a total, maybe an hour. Because again, once you do this, you put everything back together, you got to fill it up, run it, and make sure that the thermostat opens up once it reaches operating temperatures. Make sure your car don't overheat. But again, guys, it's very simple. It's a couple bucks. I mean, a thermostat maybe like 10 to maybe at the